Part 7 is here, and we're attacking the front bumper. Don't let the time-lapse fool you. This is the most deceptively difficult panel on the whole Silverado. We're going to war with those aggressive concave curves. We're dealing with what we call hungry mouths, deep recesses that want to pull the material back out. Alfred is demonstrating elite heat control here. It's all about patience and relaxing the vinyl so it lays into the angles it wasn't meant to go. We're working every finger out until that surface is absolute perfection. Look closely at the top center. That's a major point of failure for most wraps. We're using knifeless tape to execute a strategic overlay, hiding the seams right in the body lines. And for the new installers watching, don't skip the post-heat. That's the secret to making a wrap last in the South Florida sun. If you can't see the seams in the final clip, we've done our job. This beast is almost ready to find its new home. If you or someone you know needs a solid, updated, used workhorse, hit us up before this one is gone. Visit vtwinskins.com for over 330 premium color PPF options. DM us credit for your free guide and a $250 credit. Stay locked into Alfred Wraps on YouTube.